How to create Lyft Driver account. Let's get started. First off, make sure you have already downloaded Lyft Driver app on your device. If not, you can head towards the App Store or Play Store, search for the app Lyft Driver and download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You'll land on this kind of page. Now here you will see the option of Get Started. Click on it. Click on the option of No Use a Different Account. Now from here you can easily create your account. All you have to do is type in your phone number. First, you can select your country. Once you have selected your country, type in the phone number. After you type in the phone number, click on Next. Now you will be receiving code in the phone number that you have just entered. What you have to do is type in that code over here. Now you have to provide the details. First up, go ahead and type in your first name, then type in the last name. Now go ahead and type in your email address. After you type in, click on Next. Now go through the terms and conditions and then click on I agree. And just with that, your account will be created. So this way you can easily create your Lyft Driver account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.